Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 3935 East Tennant Drive in Meridian in the coveted Century Farm community. This is a 3931 square foot house, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a bonus and an office on a nice size 0.21 acre lot with a 3-car garage. Stunning finishes, very lightly lived in home, built by the trusted Hallmark Homes. See beautifully manicured lawns, nice quiet streets. The community has swimming pools, the YMCA, elementary school. There's also a little urgent care in the area. Nice wide or deep extended driveway here. Notice how the builder has the concrete all the way out to the edges for that extended parking. That way you open up the car door in the wintertime, you're not stepping out into the snow or the grass. You have the windows and the garage doors, which are 8 feet tall. Nice finishes, full rain gutters, wood fencing. The gate on that side. Again, nice big driveway. If we head up to the front here, you'll notice the nice light sconces here. Kind of the corbel looking eaves coming over the windows in the front. Just makes it more aesthetically pleasing. Nice covered front patio, nice tall door. The inlaid glass door. Side windows, very peaceful. All right, let's go inside and take a look. One more thing before we go inside, you'll notice that there are outlets in the eaves here. Perfect for hanging the Christmas lights. And you also have gutter extensions. So these take the water out of the gutters and extend them out. Just very good for preventing water entry into your crawl space. Okay, heading into the home now. You have a nice entry here, 9-foot ceilings, lots of recessed can lighting. Little inset here for your decor. And before we head to the kitchen and family room, let's look over to the right. We have bedroom number 1. Nice oversized windows with full wood wrap. You have the transom windows, also full wrap. Nice solid doors here versus the bifolds. Some closets inside. Okay, then we're gonna head into the bathroom, guest bath. Nice raised vanity mirror that's also wood wrapped. Very elegant. Nice tile backsplash. The obscured glass window. The elongated toilets in here. Tile flooring, and then of course it is a full bath, so you have the shower tub combo over here. And then right outside the door, and notice the door style as well, very modern and very organized. You can use this closet for linens or additional pantry space, whatever you'd like. So as we head over here, this closet is stunning. More storage space. This goes under the stairs, goes way back, and has its own light switch, which is very convenient. And then off to the immediate right with the barn door, you have the office. Some people call it a pocket office, with the built-in counters, nice shelves, the floating shelves there, big windows. All the windows have blinds. Also has transom windows for some nice light coming in from the family room. And then additional closet right here. Okay, we're gonna head upstairs now. Notice the nice trim throughout the house. Has a Sun Valley texturing. Beautiful banister. Full capped banister up here. Notice that it's plumb for central vac. You have a space up here for your Peloton. Nice big windows, perfect spot there for it. And you also have 9-foot ceilings upstairs, or at least in this area here, then it switches down to the 8 feet over here. Next bedroom, very spacious. Got all the dimensions online. Nice big closet here. Here's truly in the mirror, my apologies. Beautiful light fixture over the staircase. Carpet and flooring are in awesome condition. Here's the bonus room. Which could be another bedroom as well. Ceiling fan, lots of light. Room for any size bed in here. Got some additional closet space over here. So technically you could call it a bedroom. Next bathroom. You have the raised vanity. I love it when they do the drawer configuration this way, so you don't have any wasted space when they have the facade drawers up top. Kind of the subway tile backsplash. Very elegant. Pocket door going into the shower area, shower tub combo. Tile flooring in here as well. That's very convenient, so someone could brush their teeth, get ready while someone else is taking a shower here privately. Again, the upgraded toilets in the home. Go down the hallway, yet another nice big linen closet here. This room here goes to the furnace room, attic access, very convenient instead of crawling up through a hole in the ceiling. And our last but not least bedroom. This room also has a walk-in closet here. Very spacious. Some nice built-ins as well. Okay, we're heading outside now. You notice a nice tall covered back patio here. Plenty of room to entertain. Nice and quiet. Extended concrete patio with a gas line over here for your barbecue. Very low maintenance. Notice that they have the crawl space wells also there. Just keep stuff from getting into the crawl space, which is nice. Upgraded fencing throughout this neighborhood. And again, love the extended covered patio here. Covered and extended concrete coming out. No big 2 stories. You got a single level behind you, so nobody's staring into your backyard. The vented eaves, the full gutters. Additional little covered area here as well. Comes off of the master bedroom. As I pointed out in the front, you've got the extended gutters. Some garden space here. Goes down the side. You have some drains out here. We'll go ahead and walk down here. Nice and easy over here as well. Gas meter behind the fence. And nice level backyard. One last look at the back. Very peaceful. Okay, we're leaving the office area, and here's a good look at the front entry. Again, the 9-foot ceilings in here. And now we enter my favorite part of the house, the family room and dining and kitchen. Notice the nice vaulted ceilings in here, ceiling fan, and custom surround sound system as well. As you can see the speakers. Beautiful fireplace. I love it when they place the fireplace all the way down to the ground. You have the wainscoting here, or a cottage lap, I mean, and TV with the mantle over it, the built-in shelves and cabinetry over here. No wires dangling everywhere. Just nice and clean. Expansive windows looking out to the backyard with the covered patio. Nice separate dining space over here. And then you've got the huge kitchen. Full tile backsplash all the way to the ceiling above the stove there. Also has the accent floating shelves. Cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Very sleek and modern. Has the LED under cabinet lighting here. Very nice color choices in here. The offset colored island here with additional storage underneath. And the gray quartz countertops with the rounded edges. Nice deep sink here with a very tall spigot, detachable. The drop pendant lighting. Open concept kitchen that everybody loves. And notice that you've got so much space here in the dining area. You've got a huge dining room table here, elegant lighting, high window count, and there's still plenty of room to walk out to the back porch. Lots of space here. To your beautiful back porch area. Got the stainless steel range hood here. Gas cooktop. You have the Maytag dishwasher over here. You've got the double oven plus the microwave. Set back nicely. And one more look here at your lighting and tile backsplash. The black accent hardware. One more thing about the windows. Just look at how many windows we have here. You got windows, a slider, huge windows across here. And as we head over to the master bedroom, you've got a door access to this additional covered patio area here. Beautiful blinds throughout the house. Additional storage over here. And this goes to the master bedroom. But before we go to the master bedroom, I want to show you how huge the pantry is. So you come right off the kitchen here, you're prepping your food. You've got the mudroom area right here. Kick off the shoes, take off your hat, hang your jacket, and then you've got this giant walk-in pantry area with very elegant flooring, very level transitions. Lots of area for your storage. And notice how many outlets you have as well. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can tell how meticulously maintained this is. Also has a pocket door right here.